Hi first graders, I am going to show you how to get onto your computer games from your daily journal Read to Self and WordWork menu. This first video you want to listen to first. It's going to show you what this activity is and instructions on what you do with this slide when you come to this slide every day in your journal. You will find it twice in your journals. Now on your journal you will find this slide, and each of these icons is the different computer activities that you are able to do. You can pick this icon right here for Teach Your Monster to Read. You can pick this icon for Epic, and you can pick this icon for ReadWorks. It's super simple. You just click this icon and it pops up to the exact website where you need to log in. And it opens up a new tab. So to simply go back to Seesaw after you are done playing Teach Your Monster, Epic, ReadWorks, whatever game you choose, you just simply click this tab right here to go back to your Seesaw journal. All of these are going to have links, so you can pick Teach Your Monster, ReadWorks, Epic, and then you want to make sure that you read to self just like what it says in this video here. You also have your Math Choices, Math Workshop Choices menu here. So again, Zearn is also linked. So if I click this link, it will pop up with Zearn. You type in your username, you type in your password, just like how the video before says to log in, and then you click sign in. Again, it opened up a new tab up here. So in order to go back to Seesaw, you click the little icon that says Seesaw, and it takes you back to your Seesaw journal. I hope this is helpful, friends. I hope you have fun, and I will see you soon. Bye.